If you've ever attempted to build your own header, you might know how difficult it can be to find the right collector. Either they don't fit your piping, or they don't ship them to your country, or they're priced like they're made out of gold, and sometimes there's just nothing available at all. During my sound experiments on YouTube, I've had that issue more than once, and then I usually ended up building them on my own. But let's just say, the time it took to make them and the result that I've got never quite matched my expectations. But now I've found a new solution. 3D printed exhaust collectors are a complete game changer, turning the hardest part into this. 3D printing stainless steel might not be completely new, but just 2 years ago I've got quotes for a 12-into-1 collector for close to €3,500 plus tax. And that was just for the upper half. So with these prices for printing stainless steel, this was not really an option. But to build a 12-into-1 collector from scratch took Tim several attempts, a couple of $100 in materials and welding gas, and 3 months of his spare time. And it doesn't have to be like that anymore. These 3D printed stainless steel collectors don't just save massive fabrication time, the quality exceeds anything I could build by hand. Or even Tim.
Alles gut, dass ich geguckt habe.
And what used to cost thousands of dollars for printing, this collector was a lot closer to 200, plus tax and shipping. I'm not only going to show you how to order them, but I've designed hundreds of these collectors for you and put them into this catalog, so you can easily find the right size for your project. And if you can't find the right collector for your project, I'll design it for you. Find the size you need, get the quality you want, for a price that makes you look twice at meister.com.